Hello, everyone. Mr. Weasel's challenged us to a game of football. And I've got 2 terrific trucks on my team.
That trophy is mine! Frogs Flops can't match Weasel's winners. Remember, Mechs, you stay in goal. Because you block the whole thing.
Start your engines. If you have one, that is.
Good luck, team. Enjoy yourselves.
And they're off. Baby truck is dribbling. With the ball, that is. There's no way past Max the monster keeper. Oh, Weasel's wheels go on the attack. Great tackle. Oh no, baby truck has a flat tire.
Oh, baby, what rotten luck.
Weasel to Sly, who runs into Tilly. Now Tilly's exhaust has fallen off. This game is bananas.
Pass to me, Sly. You'll only miss. Oh, no! That was your fault, Sly.
Oh, dear. You 2 need a fast fix.
Ooh, it's half time.
Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Baby's hurt, but brave all the same. With a brand new tyre, she's back in the game. Tilly's exhaust fell off with a crash. So let's reattach it quick as a flash. Now we've had a little rest, let's get back out and try our best.
Stop dawdling, you 2. We have to win, whatever it takes.
Team Gecko on the attack, repaired and ready to go. Wowee! Tilly's faster than ever with her new exhaust.
Look out!
Foul! A ropey challenge by Weasel. Red card.
Never.
Seconds left! We could win it with this free kick! Go, go, team!
Goal! Gecko's garage!
No! Not fair! Cheating usually works for me.
Well done, teams. Fair play won today.